All right, so I have this projector right here. It's really cool. It comes with this stand so you can just put it on a tabletop, or it has a mount where you can put it on some sort of tripod. You can hang it from the ceiling. You can have it so it projects at you. Super, super clear. I'm going to go back to home. Has a remote so you can set up everything with it. And you have buttons to go straight to Netflix, browser, YouTube, Prime. And you can see here projecting straight on to Netflix. Super cool, super easy to use, really fun to take camping, stuff like that. And you can set it up with either USB or HDMI or streaming. It was so easy to connect. I'm going to go back to home just to show you. So yeah, you have everything here. You move it slightly over. It was really, really easy to set up. It kind of looks a little funny on the closet door, but look how clear this is. This is so clear. You got Netflix, your browser, everything you need here. You can even go up here and put a URL straight in to do presentations, etc. But yeah, it's showing different, for your kid. This is great, kind of fun. It has tons of different programming right here, whatever you need. And I hope this video helped you with your buying decision.